Hello, my dear students. Let's see the question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So we have three different questions here. We will do all the three questions one by one. So the first question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So let me write the question first. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So this is a polynomial. So let p of x equal 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now we will arrange this as per the general quadratic formula, general quadratic polynomial. So the general quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So when we arrange as per this, so we can write 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Now for any zeros, p of x will be equal to 0. That means 6x square minus 7x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Right after that, we will multiply 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 is 3 is 18. The 2 9 times is 18. Now our next step is to split minus 7x into two different terms. So 2 minus 9 you will get minus 7. 2 minus 9 we will get minus 7. So in place of minus 7x we will write 2x minus 9x. So 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 will be equal to 0. After that you will take common. From these two the common is 2 and x. So 2 3 times is 6. X into x is x square plus 2x into 1 is 2x. And from this minus 3 is common. So 3 is 9x. Minus 3 is already common. That means plus 1. Minus is also common. So minus plus is minus. 3 1 times is 3 equal 0. Now from this 2 is also common. So we can write 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 equal 0. After that 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3 equals 0. So either 3x plus 1 equals 0 or 2x minus 3 equal 0. 3x plus 1 equals 0, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now 3x plus 3x minus 1 and then x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. Here also 2x, it will shift to right side, so it will be plus 3 and x will be equal to 3 by 2. So these are the two values of x. Now we have to do verification also. For verification, sum of zeros, these are two zeros, so sum means we have to add, so these two will add now. So minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So if we add this 3 and 2 LCM will be 6. Here it will be minus 2 and here 9. So 9 minus 2 will be 7 by 6. Now sum of zeros formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So minus coefficient of x. So our equation, our quadratic polynomial was 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So we have to see minus coefficient of x. So minus coefficient of x is 7. Minus 7, correct? Coefficient of x square is 6. Coefficient of x square is 6. So this verification part for sum of zeros is done. Now we will do for product of zeros now. For product of zeros, these two are the zeros. Product, that means we have to multiply. So minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 So minus 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 2 is 6. Now we will write the formula. Constant product of zeros formula is constant term by coefficient of x square. The constant term is 3, so constant term is 3 minus 3 is 3. Coefficient of x square is 6. Coefficient of x square is 6. So hence verified. Let's see the next question. The question is 3x square minus x minus 4. So same as what we did in the first question. Let p of x equal 3x square minus x minus 4. Now for any zeros, this p of x will be equal to 0. That means 3x square minus x minus 4 will be equal to 0. After that, 3 into 4, 12. This 12 we have to 4 3 times is 12. So when we subtract 4 and 3, we will get 1. So that's what 1 we have got. So we have to split this into two different terms. For that, we have to subtract 3 minus 4, not 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will get 1, but 3 minus 4 will get minus 1. So we will consider 3 minus 4 because we have minus here. So 3x square plus 3x minus 4x, we will get minus 1x. Minus 4 equal 0. Now we will take common from this. The 3x is common. X plus 3x is common. So 1 3x and 1 is 3x. 3x and the x is 3x square. Now here minus common and 4 common. So x minus already common. So plus 4 is already common. So 1 equals 0. Now x plus 1 can be taken as common. X plus 1, 3x minus 4 equal 0. Now either x plus 1 equals 0 or 3x minus 4 equal 0. Now x will be equal to minus 1. When we shift to right side, it will be minus 1. The sign will change. Here also 3x. When we shift the sign, it will be minus 4 will shift to plus 4. Now x will be equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Let's do the verification part. X is minus 1, x minus 1 and 4 by 3. The sum of zeros. That means we have to add minus 1 plus 4 by 3. Now LCM will be 3. And here minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 3. Now formula coefficient minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So minus coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of x is 1, correct? Coefficient of x square is 3. Coefficient of x square is 3. So sum of zeros is verified. Now we will do product of zeros. So product of zeros means we have to multiply minus 1 into 4 by 3. So minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 by 3. Formula is constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term is minus 4. Coefficient of x square is 3. Hence verified. Let's see the next question. T square minus 15. The same as before, we will consider this as p of t. Let p of t will be t square minus 15. Here t because the variable is t, not x. So p of t will be t square minus 15. After that, for any zeros, pt will be equal to 0. That means t square minus 15 will be equal to 0. Now t square, this minus 15. If it shifts to right side, it will be plus 15. And t, the square root, can be written as in this form, root. We will shift this root, and in this square, when we transfer to the right side, it will be square root, and the sign will be positive and negative. So we got the two values of t. We have to get the two values of t because it's square. That means two values of t will get. So either t will be equal to root 15 or t will be equal to minus of root 15 minus root 15. So sum of zeros, that means root 15 and minus root 15. Sum means plus, so root 15 plus minus root 15. So root 15 plus into minus is minus root 15. Root 15 minus root 15 will be 0. And denominator, it will be 1 only. So the formula is minus coefficient of t by coefficient of t square. The coefficient of t is 0. So we don't have any coefficient of t, 0. Now coefficient of t square is 1, coefficient of t square is 1. It's verified. Now for product of zeros, means we have to multiply this to root 15 into minus root 15. Root 15 into root 15 is 15 and minus 1. So the formula will be constant term by coefficient of t square. Constant term is minus 15, correct? And coefficient of t square is 1. So hence verified.